It's on the bow, right?
The left one. We're going to the right one, so favored.
Oh, we're going to the right one?
Yeah.
Oh, so wait, hold on. So we're going the right one. We're Mexicaning the right.
Right, if we can get to it.
I can get down to it, yeah.
Okay.
We're Mexicaning. Listen up. We're doing a Mexican.
Argentinian.
An Argentinian, yeah.
And that's southern, yeah, southern hemisphere.
Keep us moving fast. Don't forget the out haul and everything when we get down in here. Keep us moving. Can the pole come back in?
Hold that.
I
Yeah, we
do.
do.
I can't see though. Can you see
We're gonna have
me?
to soak.
Soaking. Soaking down.
Pull back.
Pull back. Soaking hard. Somebody hold the boom. Hold the boom.
That's it, we got it.
Check. Coming up behind Dark Star. Here we go. Here we go. Coming up. Coming up. Here we go. There we go. All right, guys. It's going to have to be a good one here. Get some rudder.